Okay, what's up guys? Okay, it's been long. I've actually posted on this my channel because of some issue with my health and the rest. Okay, so now I'm resuming back fully. I know in my previous video I've been doing about CP marketing, train marketing strategy. Okay, what for now? I want to go into something else different. Okay, I'll still be coming back to CP marketing, but I'm trying out some new strategy. Okay, trying out some new CPA platform, like especially Max Bounty, because Max Bounty is one of the best. So I'm still trying it out. So once I see the result I want, I'll do a video on that, and I will also like do a free full course. Okay, but that will be later. Okay, but for now, what I want to focus now is affiliate marketing. Okay, I'll be doing the video from scratch, different video, like can be more than 10. I'll be releasing it batch by batch. I don't want it to be long, so it'll be like maximum of 10 minutes long. Okay, I'll be doing a video like how to register affiliates on an affiliate platform. Okay, like Clickbank, JVZoo. Okay, and I'll also teach you how to like start like professionally, not doing that you just go over, grab a link and just start spamming the link around. No, that's not how affiliate marketing is. And all these things are about online money making, making money online, is that you have to do it in a professional way, so you keep getting the money when you are not even doing any work. Okay, like you set up a free website. Okay, and also some free email marketing software you can use, that you can use to grab email and create landing pages and the rest. I'm doing everything step by step, and how you can get started using free traffic. Okay, I mean free traffic, you can use Facebook, you can use Quora, you can use forums, different free traffic. Then from that you can now go into the paid traffic. Okay, but as a beginner, I want you guys to try the free traffic out, but you can also like use paid traffic sometimes, like running ads worth of $10, $20, $50. Okay, I know some people here reside in Nigeria majority, and the dollar rate to our country rate, okay, is very high, so many people don't have the money to run paid ads. So I'm starting with the free ads, like free traffic method. Then I'll go over to the paid traffic method, like Facebook ads. I won't show you how to run Facebook ads. Like your cost will be very low, like you won't pay much for the Facebook ads. Okay, and I'll also show you Quora ads, Pinterest ads. I'm not sure about Pinterest because currently I'm unable to access my Pinterest ads. Also Bing ads, Google ads also, but that's currently Google has some issue, like new account usually disable account and the rest. So currently having issues with Google ads, but maybe later on I'll do a video on that. So this video just to explain my upcoming videos. Okay, so I'll be starting this week. Okay, so just try to like watch the video to the end, so you can understand all the aspects of affiliate marketing, and you can start making it with affiliate marketing, even though it's from the scratch. Like you can start making $5, $10. Then once you have some money, you can put it into paid ads and automate things. Okay, so see you in my next video when I'll start the affiliate marketing videos. Okay, so if you are not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future updates. Love you guys. Thank you.